Dirt is going to get into your Intex pool no matter what. But your pool is like every other pool out there, every other above ground pool. It is no different. But because you have a smaller Intex or EasySet pool, you have a few more options at your disposal. Let's dive in. All right, quick disclaimer. I want to talk about the term Intex pools. Intex is a brand name. They go by many names, these pools. There's Intex, there's EasySet, there's quick setup, there's blow up pools. They're all the same thing. They're small, above ground pools that you can quickly set up and break down if you need to every year. And if I missed anything in this video, just please leave a comment. I'll be happy to get to it. And also, just because we're going to talk about pool care, everyone's got a different opinion on how to take care of your pool, and all of them are their own way. Just follow somebody you trust. If you trust us at Swim University, this is just how we do it. So let's get into it. Okay, the easiest way to get dirt out of your Intex pool is to use a skimmer net. It's a flat net that you can use to skim the surface of the pool, and you can also get debris off the bottom of your pool. If you're very diligent, you can keep the bottom and top of your pool free of debris if you just go out there like every day, every other day, and just do a quick skim, a skim on the bottom. It's really all you need to do. And because your pool is smaller than a giant above ground pool, it won't take as long. You should brush your swimming pool just as often as you brush your teeth, and I hope that you brush your teeth every day. And I guess with a swimming pool, you don't have to brush every day, maybe every other day, and get that debris off the sides, off your ladder, off the bottom, and it'll just be a lot easier in the long run. You won't have any gunk or any like algae growth happening in these little crevices around the pool if you just give it a nice brushing, and you could do that while you skim. The third thing you can do is you can hook up an actual manual vacuum. If you have an Intex pool, they actually sell these vacuums for your pool. They hook up to your filter system and they create a suction using the pump and the filter. Yes, it's a vacuum head and a pole. You can just push that along the bottom of the pool and it'll suck up all the debris into your filter system. If you have one of these quick set pools, chances are you can get a tiny little vacuum that can help clear up that debris. And then finally, and I think the best thing you could do is you can actually get a robotic pool cleaner. Now, if you're familiar with like above ground pools, traditional above ground pools or in-ground pools, they make these robots that actually go along the bottom of the pool and the sides of the pool. But in your case, you don't need that. That's overkill. You can use something called a pool blaster, which is essentially like a dustbuster. You know those dustbusters from the 70s? It's like that. It's battery operated. You can attach it to a pole. And it's all self-contained. You can just go down to the bottom of your pool and you can use a pool blaster or basically a pool dustbuster. And because you have a smaller pool, this is such a great option for you. You can vacuum the ladders, you can vacuum anywhere you want to. I highly recommend that you invest in one of these. It is going to change your life if you don't already have one. So to recap, you got to skim the pool. You can skim the top. You can skim the bottom. You should brush your pool, again, every other day for both of those. Brush any crevices and just get debris out of there, out into the open so it doesn't fester. You can use a pool vacuum, a manual pool vacuum, which uses the power and the suction of your pump and filter to lift debris off the ground. It's made by any one of the manufacturers that your pool actually is. Or the one that I highly recommend is getting a pool blaster, which is basically a pool dustbuster, battery operated, self-contained. You can put it on a pole. That's the best option for you. So thank you very much for watching. Real quick before we go, got to do a quick plug for, that's how we keep the lights on here at Swim University. A quick plug for our pool care video course and illustrated ebook called the Pool Care Handbook. You can get it for watching this video. You can get it for 10% off by using the promo code VIDEO at checkout. You'll get 10% off. It is chock full of everything you need to know how to take care of your pool, especially Intex pools. It's got all the water chemistry. It's got how to clean it. It's got all of that stuff. Everything that you need to know how to do it, testing the water, all that stuff. I could go on and on. You can find out for yourself. Just go to swimuniversity.com/pool-care-handbook and use the promo code VIDEO. If I missed anything, again, leave a comment below. Please do that. And visit swimuniversity.com for more pool maintenance information. That's it. Thanks again. Happy swimming.